I was recently speaking with a lady, and she told me that she has 4 adult children, and 3 of them are dependent on her financially. And she asked me, what sort of tax breaks can I get? So, after a few questions, I discovered that one of her kids is going to school full time. And I said, if your son's not making a lot of income, then he can actually transfer his tuition credit to you. So, he can actually transfer up to $5,000. And it depends on what the total income is for her. But it usually works out to be about a $750 tax credit. So if you're watching this, if you have young adults that are living with you or not living with you, maybe they're gone away to school and they're not able to use their tuition, all of their tuition to help their taxes, then they can actually transfer it to you. And then in this lady's case, she actually has a disabled child as well too. So I explained to her something called the caregiver credit. And this is something newer within the last 3 or 4 years. You can Google it and just type in, CRA caregiver credit. If somebody makes less than $25,000 a year and they are eligible for the disability tax credit, this is an additional credit. There are some other criteria, so make sure that you look it up and you talk to a tax professional. I'm set up as an authorized tax preparer with the CRA, so if you have specific questions, please reach out. But those are 2 ways that if you have adult children living at your home or they're dependent on you financially, perhaps the tuition credit or the caregiver credit if one of your children has a disability is something that may help your tax return.